Hey folks, I'm Alex with MarineMax here in Lake Lanier, and today we are on board our Sylvan A-22. This is actually a brand new boat from Sylvan. It has some amazing features, and I would like to point out a few of them. First of all, this has actually a composite helm, as well as the front end and the back of the boat. Under the seat, obviously, the composite carries on. What's going to allow you to do is actually have a very solid ride, as also is a very, how do you call this, scratch proof. It's a really nice material. As we make our way back towards here, very tall bucket seats, really tall, probably 29 inches or so. We got armrest on both sides, beautiful steering wheel, beautiful helm, Humminbird Helix 5. You can see all throughout the boat the stitching, the styling, high back for the passengers to really sit in the boat, not feel like they're about to fall off. So it's very safe and secure for the whole family and children as well. As we make our way to the back, you're going to actually see that this is a power top. So the push of a button, this power will lay down and obviously move up as you wish. And to top it all off, we actually have a beautiful ski rack in the back, so you can actually put your skis, your tubes. Beautiful setup here. Like, you have a lot of freeboard, so you can put your skis on and jump on the water, as well as powered by a 150 horsepower Yamaha. Come and see us here at MarineMax Lake Lanier. I'm Alex, and we'll be happy to take care of you.